Here we are presenting today 10 ways high-functioning anxiety manifests in your behavior. High-functioning anxiety refers to individuals who outwardly appear to be functioning well but internally experience intense anxiety. Identifying this form of anxiety can be challenging since those affected often fulfill their daily responsibilities successfully. They excel in their careers and relationships, yet beneath the surface, they feel overwhelmed by the stressors in their lives. Although high-functioning anxiety isn't officially recognized as a distinct mental health condition, it is undoubtedly real. Many individuals may not even realize they are grappling with it, but it can have a significant impact on their lives. Let's explore the 10 behaviors commonly associated with high-functioning anxiety. Number 1. Pursuit of perfection. High-functioning anxiety is a complex phenomenon. On one hand, it boosts productivity, organization, and problem-solving skills. However, it also instills a constant fear of failure when one's efforts fail to meet their exceedingly high standards. Whether it's appearance, work performance, or interpersonal interactions, those with high-functioning anxiety always strive for perfection. Unfortunately, since perfection is unattainable and there is always room for improvement, they never feel satisfied with their achievements. Number 2. Excessive planning. Individuals with high-functioning anxiety habitually anticipate the worst outcomes and prepare for them. They remain on high alert, perpetually expecting disaster and trying to prevent it. Their minds are consumed by thoughts of potential mishaps and how they would respond if they occurred. Consequently, even when something positive happens, it feels like an anomaly rather than the norm. This constant state of vigilance creates immense stress, not only from worrying but also from the relentless need to be prepared for any eventuality. Consequently, they struggle to be present and fully enjoy the current moment. Number 3. Inability to relax. Relaxation becomes a challenge for those with high-functioning anxiety, as they perpetually feel the need to be engaged in activities. Whether it's cleaning the house, working on projects, or planning for the future, they constantly seek productivity. Their minds are always occupied with thoughts of the next task and the responsibilities they carry. Unfortunately, this makes it difficult for them to unwind and savor their leisure time. Number 4. Punctuality obsession. High-functioning anxiety keeps individuals on edge, even when the reason is unclear. This heightened stress can manifest in various ways, including a compulsion to arrive excessively early for appointments. It is not necessarily about making a good impression. Instead, it stems from the fear of being late and the anxiety associated with it. By arriving well in advance, they create a buffer to address any unforeseen issues without drawing attention to themselves. Number 5. Procrastination tendencies. High-functioning anxiety can manifest in procrastination, which involves avoiding tasks by engaging in other activities. Despite their driven personas, individuals with high-functioning anxiety may find themselves procrastinating more than others due to their perfectionism and rigid mindset. This is particularly prevalent when they fear being unable to meet a challenge. Procrastination becomes a coping mechanism to evade situations that make them uncomfortable or anxious. Consequently, they often find themselves rushing to complete tasks at the last minute. Number 6. Excessive analysis and pondering. One significant impact of high-functioning anxiety is its tendency to prompt excessive analysis and deep contemplation about various matters. Making decisions becomes challenging, as you often find yourself constantly second-guessing your choices. Sleep may elude you as your mind refuses to settle down. Even the smallest concern can trigger an avalanche of thoughts in your brain, akin to endlessly driving in circles when all you desire is to reach a destination. When you consistently ruminate over past events and worry about the future, it becomes nearly impossible to focus on the present moment. Number 7. Guilt over saying no. Expressing the word, no, becomes an arduous task when you struggle with high-functioning anxiety, and it often leaves you burdened by guilt. Your inclination is to be helpful and bring happiness to others, which is commendable. However, more often than not, you find yourself taking on excessive commitments and responsibilities. Instead of seeking assistance when you need it, you persist until exhaustion overwhelms you, causing everything on your plate to come crashing down. Number 8. Concealing your emotions. Despite internal struggles, you appear composed and unreadable, concealing your true emotions with great finesse. The reality is that individuals with high-functioning anxiety excel at hiding their feelings. This difficulty in expressing emotions, especially negative ones, stems from the nature of high-functioning anxiety itself. You strive not to burden others with your problems, or make them uncomfortable by revealing your true emotional state. Number 9. Tension in muscles and jaw. People with high-functioning anxiety often experience physical tension and discomfort throughout their bodies. When confronted with a perceived threat or overwhelming situation, your brain triggers the release of adrenaline. This, in turn, causes your muscles to tense up in an attempt to cope with the surrounding circumstances. Even though you may appear composed on the outside, you may unconsciously clench your fists or jaw, attempting to release the built-up tension. Number 10. Reliance on routines and familiarity. High-functioning anxiety extends beyond mere anxious feelings. It encompasses a strong desire for control and predictability in your daily life. You are determined to ensure that nothing unexpected occurs and will go to great lengths to maintain this sense of certainty. Your brain works tirelessly to shield you from the unpredictability of the world, even though this can create unnecessary difficulties. As a result, you gravitate towards established routines and familiar experiences that provide a sense of comfort and control, often avoiding new situations and unfamiliar people. High-functioning anxiety is characterized by excessive worry, stress, and guilt, which can hinder your ability to relax and fully enjoy life, even during seemingly positive circumstances. It is essential to recognize that experiencing high-functioning anxiety does not make you a bad person or indicate a flaw within you. Instead, it implies that certain situations can be challenging due to the unique workings of your brain. If you suspect that you may be exhibiting symptoms of high-functioning anxiety, seeking guidance from a mental health professional can assist you in addressing your concerns effectively. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button, and remember to click on the notification bell. Also, be sure to check out our other videos as well. Thanks for watching.